viewers and subscribers. What go on the people, what go on the peeps, you know, it's your guy Ricardo from One Love Africa. So we're right here. I am right here with some friends, getting some food to eat. I'm in Campbell County, Campbell County, in Culinary. The sun kind of bright today, the place kind of cold. So it might look bright, but the place cold. So anyways, so there now, say I eat some food at a local restaurant. You know I love the local food, right? You can't do Kenya and you not try the local food. Make sure so you guys try the local food because these people use natural seasoning, natural everything. Even the fish, the meat overall is 100% natural. So, yeah man, pull up. Kenya, what go on? Local food we eat today. We've been eating local food now. It's not all the time I eat Jamaican food or American cuisine or Chinese food. We always try different kind of cuisine. So we just stick to one thing. Is what I say. So show you guys around because it's a mini plaza. Have a lot of shops, amenities. You have gym, you have a safari complex, you have hair salon, different restaurant. Yo, I love the place and the first me I come over here so. Is this. Now I'll show you guys around. We just ordered some food. I'm going to show you guys the food so you can see the type of food that we order. And you can come on, the price is very affordable. Very affordable. It's for everyone. So, show you guys what's popping. Watch out now, man, I'm hungry. It's time to get there.
It sounds nice.
How is it? Good? Yeah, man, I like that.
Yeah, family. Fish good.
Like a tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce, roast.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the fish, my family, viewers and subscribers. Samaki with tomato roast. So now I'm waiting for the sides to come out. Let's see what's popping. Yeah. Alright now. Mokimo.
Right here, sir.
With pork.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what is that pork there?
Coconut rice.
Over here, coconut rice.
I'm alone going to them to Galley.
You want to have some juice, a juice of wicked, see place.
Yeah, man.
Support local kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Up.
Can brother there.
See it there.
And you might try Kenyan Swahili food for the first time.
This one is mokimo,
Alright, yeah.
dry fried pork,
Yeah.
steamed vegetable, samaki, coconut rice, samaki. Yeah man, so this is it.
You guys have more
So let me see what's going on. Try the food, local, kitchen, support. This restaurant is in Campbell.
Pork.
What together?
The mokimo and the pork.
The mokimo and the pork, what about it?
Married.
Undefeated.
Undefeated at this restaurant in Campbell. So anyone that's in Kenya, I want to try some good local food. If you're in Campbell County side, come to this place. What's the name of the place? Huh?
Pazuri grill.
Alright, Pazuri. So come to Pazuri Grill right here at Campbell Road in Campbell. Take some of this spoon there.
Yeah, man.
Alright then. Wait long time for the food. Wait long time. So let's see if it's worth it, but trust me, the flavors are burst. Alright, I'll try the pork. We in Jamaica, we cook the best pork in the world. Everybody know that. Jamaicans, this is not a debate. Jamaican cook the best pork in the world. So I'm gonna try the pork right now and see if we can pass it. Yo, I'm gonna put this.
Put dry pork.
Oh, honey pork, right?
Honey.
Honey pork. Yo, the pork bad. Not a Muslim, so I can't eat pork. I'm not a Rasta either. It's good. I'm not trying to lie. The pork is actually a kick. The fish a kick.
You want to try this?
Me? No, we can't eat that one. Well, we have this on this already, that's why. Yes, there, Amish.
Fish, good.
Good?
Up. Already, flavorful, nice.
Everything is good.
Yeah.
So we're there to eat. I'll link up today.
Yeah. Good call, gentlemen. Good call.
Good call. Local food
Good call.
never disappoint us today.
Yeah. Gas nearly killed you, but we're alright.
Yeah. We waited too long for the food, but it was worth it. Big up Kenya. Big up the Kenyan people, the Kenyan farmers. Big up the people who are supplying with the natural food, the organic food. So these restaurants can actually get good stuff to cook good food. Because trust me, the food, it a slap. Pork bad. Jamaica cook the best pork in the world. But I'm telling you, the pork tastes good. It tastes good. To my review, as a chef, you know the thing already, you know. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'm still gonna show you guys around. I'm gonna show you the gym, the pastry place where you can buy a cake and stuff like that. The price is off the chain. For all of this, I think 2,500 Kenyan shilling, 25 US dollars. For all of this, three plates of fish, 3 sides. Where's the ugali? Yo, where's the ugali? Like seriously? So you go. Yeah, you should bring the ugali same time. Everyone can eat same time. Customer service. That's the only problem. But the food is good. But customer service. Training, you know. When you open a restaurant and doing a business, make sure you train your staff. Because you can't have 2 persons eating around a table and the 3rd person not eating. Example, you can't have 5 persons around a table and 1 person is not eating or 2 persons not eating. Everyone should be eating at the same time. And
Make sure everything ready.
just share go out one time, yeah. So, ugali finally coming. Finally. Everything.
Try it.
Out of everything.
Miboko.
Mokimo.
Kimo, let me say.
Mokimo. Yeah, man. So as you guys can see, it's a mini plaza. They have a gym upstairs, furniture interior store, bakery over there, the clothes fashion store, ear salon. Yeah, man, the place nice. Baby clothes, all kind of things you can see. Juice delights. Anything you want over here, so liquor store, you can buy your alcohol, spa, any little thing you want, you can get. It's right here. So get some food to eat.